So friends, now I am going to explain you how to personalize our current WhatsApp. So our WhatsApp is installed from Google Play Store. As we know, this is the WhatsApp which we use every day. So first of all, we uninstall the WhatsApp which we are using now. Click OK. The uninstall is finished, so it is gone now. There is no WhatsApp. Open Google, type for WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, we get many links in Google to download the Ford WhatsApp. So open the first link. See, this is the Ford WhatsApp Messenger. It is similar to the WhatsApp which we use every day. This is the latest version 8.26. So download, click on the download button. Again click on the download icon. So friends, after clicking on the download icon, we get this type of message. Click on OK. See, the download completed. Now click on the download. Now click on the install. See friends, the installation is completed and I got the new WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp. It is named as FM WhatsApp. So click on the FM WhatsApp. It is similar to the WhatsApp which we used before. Settings, go to settings and click on the permissions and access permissions to the storage, microphone, location, contacts, camera and phone, and go back. Click on agree and continue. So friends, this is the view after I logged into my new WhatsApp. This is my profile info and click next. I entered into my new WhatsApp. This is a verification code. I kept it for my safety. So please wait friends. Friends, after I logged in, you get a change log. This is about the WhatsApp version you are using. So click on close before and the phone messenger WhatsApp. This is floating action button and you may see the aeroplane mode which blocks the incoming messages and outgoing messages. So you want to know how to apply or how to personalize your WhatsApp. So click on the three dots and go to the Ford modes and click on FM themes and click on download your themes you like to install and apply it. So I choose to apply the Yo Hangouts jack. So I want to apply this theme, and if you want to apply it, click on install and click on OK. See friends, there is a change in my WhatsApp, and you can see your username can be shown in the place of your WhatsApp name. So you can see your status also. Hey, there I am using WhatsApp. Wait friend, I will show you how to do that. And you can view your status also friends. Go to forward modes again. Click on universal. Click on colors. See it is in green, so you can apply your favorite color. So I choose blue, new color, and the status bar also. Now see friends, there will be a change. Yeah, you can see there is a change, and you can change these floating action buttons also friend in the forward modes. And go to home screen, click on floating action button, fab normal, and choose the color you like, new color. Click on the status friends, and you can apply colors to the unseen status and seen status. So for seen status, I am going to apply red color, and unseen status I am going to apply blue color. So in this way you are able to personalize your WhatsApp. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Lammatha. Thanks for watching my video.